Need to download your HDFC Bank account statement using the NetBanking portal? Here are two ways to do it. Download your account statement via HDFC Bank NetBanking portal. Simply log into your HDFC Bank NetBanking portal with your customer ID and password. Next, tick the box to verify the secure ID. From the menu options on the left, select Enquire. Next, click on Account Statement Current and Previous Month or up to 5 years or up to 10 years. Select the account number, period and the format you desire. And hit Download. Enter the security check text as shown in the box and click on Continue. Your account statement will be downloaded. For customers using the new HDFC Bank NetBanking portal, follow these steps to download your account statement. Log in with your customer ID and password. Next, tick the box to verify the secure ID. Go to the Save tab and click on the account shown on the dashboard or select Accounts or Type of Account. On the Accounts Summary page, choose a period from the drop-down, for example, recent transactions, specific months, or financial years. Now click Download. Review period of the account statement. Select a file format and click on Download. And it's done. Your account statement has been downloaded successfully. An even easier way to download your account statement is via HDFC Bank's WhatsApp chat banking. Simply send account statement to our chat banking number at 7070022222. It's quick and easy. Just select the duration and your account statement will be ready for download in no time. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank's YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon for regular updates.